Hey, DirtFarmer Jay here from DirtFarmerJay.com. Have you ever tried to determine the half length of a piece of stock really quickly? And especially if it's a weird length, like 29 5/16. Quick, do that in your head. Well, I'm going to show you how to use your tape measure to do the calculation for you. Stay tuned. Hey, DirtFarmer Jay here. Well, if you're a maker like I am, you've got lots of different material you use in your shop, whether it's wood or plastic or metal, and the task is going to come to you where you got to quickly and accurately determine half lengths of something. Sure, you can get out your smartphone or run for the calculator or do long math, but you can use a ruler or a tape measure to get there quickly. Let's walk you through the steps and you're going to see how quickly you can do this and master this technique. So what I have before us right now is just 3 random lengths of wood stock, and we're just going to let them be whatever length they are, okay? And then determine what the half length is. So let's go ahead and throw a tape on this one, and what we have is 21 5/16. Well, quick, do that in your head. You probably could if you thought about it long, but you may make an error and it may be a little hard. So instead, let's use the tape to come up with it. And this is how I do it. If I've got 21 5/16, I start with the largest number first and divide it in half. In this case, it's 20. So 20, half of 20 is 10. I just put my pencil at the 10-inch mark. I've got it, 21 is the next one, so half of 1 is a half. So now I'm 10 and a half. And half of 5/16, you just double the denominator. That's 5 32nds. And there's 2 32nds in each of these 16ths. So there's 2 32nds, 3 32nds, and the halfway right there is 5 32nds. So the answer is 10 5/8 plus a 32nd, all right? And you can add that together. Is that true? I'm going to go ahead and put a mark on the tape measure. Let's measure it from the other end and see, do we get that? Yep, there we go. All right, let's try another one. We'll get rid of that. Let's switch to a regular stainless steel rule, and let's just do that and see if it works. What is the length on this one? Well, we're at 11 5/8. You can read that upside down there. Well, 10 is the first half, that's 5. 11 is another inch, that's a half. And half of 5/8, double the denominator, is 5/16. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/16. Let's put a mark right there. And the answer, let's just measure from the other end. And there we are at the same mark. We are at 5 13/16 is the answer. And it was done on the tape measure, or excuse me, the ruler and the block of wood, the actual object you're using, so now you can cut that in half. Well, let's do one more, and then I'm going to show you another little subdivision trick. If I go right here, well, it's the same length, isn't it? 10 5/8, no, 11 5/8. Here we go. 10 5/8, well, we know it's going to be 5 plus 5/16. It's going to be right there. Okay, now, let's suppose I wanted to cut this nice piece of stock into quarters. Well, the way I'm going to do that, that's a half, but now I can also go to this 5 5/16 and say, well, what's the half of that? Well, we know half of 5 is 2 1/2, and we know the half of 5/16 is 5 32nds, so there's 2, 4, 5 32nds right there. And there you go. I've now cut that space in half, and I could repeat the process on the other side. All without using a calculator. There's math in it, but it's being calculated a different way using the actual physical object you're going to measure and a rule. Hey, if you have a tip like this you'd like to share with your fellow viewers, why don't you say so in the comments below, and we'll get that information out. If you found this video to be helpful, won't you please like it, and better yet, subscribe to our channel, and when you do, ring the bell so you'll get immediate notification that a new video episode has been published, usually every Friday. Until the next time, this is DirtFarmer Jay with DirtFarmerJay.com with a faster and better way to figure out half measures.